Hi, hello friends, welcome to my new tutorial. This time I have MAX30100, which is basically a pulse oximeter sensor. Uh, right now it is very much in demand in the market. So what I have did is it will obviously it will measure heartbeat and specific means oxygen saturation level from a person, and it will upload to the cloud platform. There are many available. I am using right now Ubidots. So it will upload the data to the Ubidots cloud, and there you can create a dashboard, and based on the values you can also trigger alerts. See, this is the dashboard, how it's look like. The last reading is of 7.3. So let's get started. First of all, this will show you the connections. Here first pin is ground. It is connected with the ground. Next is SDA and SCL, which are connected to D22 and D21 of this ESP32 30 pin breakout board, developer board. And first pin, okay, which is VCC, is connected to 3.3 volt supply. So it is basically powered with 3.3 volt. Now as I can show you here, it is showing as initializing pulse oximeter is succeeded, but to make it work we need to do some workaround, which I did already. I have searched internet on it, so I will show you what we need to do. This is basically image of the pulse oximeter. So you can see the track here, which is connecting this IC to this resistor. We need to cut this track. Be carefully, it's a very small device. So we need to cut this track from here, connecting to this IC, and connect this terminal with this IC pin. So you can directly connect this here, or you can connect it with here also, whatever you find comfortable soldering it. So I have already did it. I will just show you. Just a minute. Okay, I have connected it from here to here directly to this last pin of IC. It is directly connected. Then only it will show you as initialization is successful, and then only you can measure the then only you can use to measure the values. Okay, so here it is initialized. I will just quickly reset it once. Okay, now it is showing as initializing pulse oximeter is succeeded. Now I will put my finger over the sensor, and you can see it is measuring the values. I have configured in such a way that it will measure 10 times, will do averaging, and then only it will publish to the dashboard. So you can see values which is received is heart rate is 96 beats per minute and oxygen level is 97%. So right now I am like shooting this video, and I am not in completely stealth, so the values are quite somewhat low. Actually you need to be steady to get accurate result. Okay, then after reading it will connect to the with the help of MQTT protocol, it will connect to the Ubidots cloud and it has uploaded the data. So last our reading is 96 bits per minute and oxygen level is 97%. So I will show you that also. It's on live. Okay, just a minute, it is not refreshed. Okay, so last reading is 724, heartbeat is 96 and oxygen level is 97. So if we want to monitor person from remote, so it is possible with the help of this ESP32, or you can use it with ESP8266 also. The programming and interfacing remains the same. We need to connect this SD and SCL according to the ESP8266 pin. So this is the dashboard. From devices you can refer the previous values which is transmitted. Okay, so basically here you will get two variables. One is heartbeat, so here it will show the graph also, and when you scroll down you will get the values also with time and date. And same is for oxygen level also, you will get along with the values and time. So I have done it in such a way that if fingerprint if human presence is not detected, it will stay as it is as initialization successful. So this message is of 1926, means 7:26, current time is of 7:27. So it is waiting for the input, means to have a human finger. So I will just put my finger over the sensor and you can see it has started measuring the value. Okay, 99 and oxygen level 98%. So we'll quickly switch back to, I will go to the dashboard. Yeah, 927, value is 99 and oxygen level 98. So if you don't want to be like seeing all the time, so what you can do is with the help of event management you can create an event. So I have already done set up an event, okay, which will in terms will send a message or SMS. We have multiple options available, so we'll just show you what the configuration I have done is. From here we need to select the variable value which is less than. So here we have multiple conditions: equal to, not equal to, greater than. Then here we need to provide the value, and for the time you can left it blank. Then click on next. Okay, so I have already created an alert, sent email to my mail ID. So if I show you this with the edit, okay, just a minute, we'll add another so I can show you. So here you can you will get number of options like send email, send an SMS, send telegram. Also you can directly trigger message to telegram, but again it is a paid. I am using this educational account, so in educational account it will not allow me to use this feature. But yeah, if you are setting up on commercial basis, you can have this feature, voice call, set variable, on the basis of some input you want to do some implementation, that is also possible. So whenever the value which is triggered, okay, so in my case I have set as oxygen level as 99, it will send an email I have configured to my account. So it will send the message like, hey there, here it will replace with a variable name. So SPO2 is the variable name, was 98 at this time and the time zone. So if you don't want to be looking at the dashboard all the time, what one can do is can set up this alert. So whenever the value is triggered between some set point which we required, it will automatically trigger the alert and will alert the person or the receiver so that he can do appropriate workout on it. So right now you can see it is initialized and ready at 7:29. So basically what I have done is I have configured to go it for sleep for 2 minutes. One reading, upload it, then 2 minutes for the sleep mode, and then it will activate again. So the sleep time we can configure on our own, again according to the requirement, and according to that we can have the readings. Okay, so just one more time. Okay, 99 and oxygen level is 97. So it is now connected and published the data to cloud. So just now the value is 99 and beats per minute, and 97% is oxygen level, and time is 7:31. So here it is automatically updated. 7:31, heartbeat value 99% and oxygen level is 97. We'll just hold it here. I will just pause it for a moment and we'll resume, because okay, not an issue, we can wait for 2 minutes. Okay, right now it is in sleep mode. So basically in sleep mode it will save the power when you are running it on remote location, where and obviously we cannot connect the power supply to the live person. So when we are running it on a cell or a battery, then the power saving mode will help to expand the life. So exactly at 7:32 it went into the sleep mode, and right now we have 30 more seconds to wait. Instead of configuring sleep, you can configure delay also, but putting an ESP32 in delay mode, it will still consume the power. So better is to switch it on sleep mode. So now you can see that it is activated and Wi-Fi is again connected. Pulse oximeter is configured and ready to measure. So we'll just put one more time. So heartbeat is 90 and oxygen level is 97. So you can see it at 7:34. So the dashboard is automatically updated. So please share this video with your friends, like it, share it, and if you have any comment, if you have any suggestion, please share it in comment section. Thank you.